Hello guys, welcome back again to my kitchen. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I make this simple and easy hot dog from the comfort of my home, which you can also make from the comfort of your home. With no further ado, let's jump right into the video. I will be using sausage and then the buns or the bread for the hot dog. This recipe is so easy and simple for you to put together from the comfort of your home, as I said before. And the ingredients are easily accessible. So I have here a pan on fire. I will go ahead to just drizzle some oil into that. And then I will allow that to hot and I will add the sausage. I will fry this for 1 to 2 minutes in a low medium heat, and then I will go ahead to flip the other side and also cook this for 1 to 2 minutes in a low medium heat. If you are watching up to this moment, please guys don't forget to subscribe, share and like this video. So after that, I'll take that out of the fire. Now moving over to the cream, I will go ahead to add some mayonnaise into a clean bowl, and thereafter I will be adding some ketchup. This is optional. After adding ketchup, I'll go ahead to add normal blended pepper. This is not hot at all, it's not spicy. Then I will go ahead to add some black pepper to give it a little bit heat. Then I'll go ahead to mix everything up. All the ingredients I am using right now, they are all optional, okay? So after mixing everything, I'll set that aside. Moving over to the buns or the bread that I'll be using for the hot dog, I'll go ahead to cut this into two equal parts. You can go ahead to toast the bread before assembling the hot dog, everything together, but I did not do that for this recipe. So after cutting the buns into two, I'll go ahead to add the mixed mayonnaise with the spices and all that. I will just spread it on the bread evenly with my spoon, and thereafter I will go ahead to add some sliced tomatoes. If you are not a lover of fresh tomatoes, you can skip this part. So after adding the fresh tomatoes, the next thing I'll be doing is to take one of those sausage and then I'll just put it in between the bread. I will go ahead to add mayonnaise. This is yogurt mayonnaise. You can use any topping or any sauce of your choice. You can use hot dog sauce or mustard sauce. I was not able to lay my hands on those ones, so I went for this. So guys, this is what we have. So simple, and it was so yummy and so delicious. So I also went ahead to cut another buns into two, just like the way I did in the first one. I'll go ahead to add cream, just spread it on the buns evenly. After spreading the cream on the buns, I will go ahead to take one of the sausage and then place it in between the buns, and thereafter I'll go ahead to just add some tomatoes to this. So guys, as I said before, if you're not a lover of fresh tomatoes, you can skip this part. I'll also go ahead to add the yogurt mayonnaise, and then we are done with this. If you are watched up to this moment, thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and don't also forget to leave your comment in the comment section. Thank you guys. The third one I will be doing, this one is very simple. We'll go ahead to add the sauce into the bread and then spread it out with my spoon. You can add vegetable, any vegetable of your choice. You can add salad and all that. I went ahead to add the cooked sausage, and then I'll be adding the yogurt with mayonnaise. Guys, if you have watched up to this moment, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. So guys, this is what we have after everything. This hot dog was so yummy, was so delicious, and my family loved it so well. What will you be pairing this with? Will you eat this like this, or you will just go ahead to add some chilled malt or chilled water or hot tea? So let me know in the comment section. So guys, will you be trying this out? If you do, please don't forget to tag me, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share. Thank you so much for watching and keep eating good food. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video and bye.